joy and a great honor to stand here with all of you today as we celebrate the 20-year Jubilee of Maria Clausteret. For me and for many others, Maria Clausteret is more than just a building or a quiet sanctuary. It is a place that has shaped us, welcomed us, and walked with us through different seasons of life. It was summer of 2015 when I arrived in Budat as an au pair. I didn't know then how much the decision would change my life. It was during that time that I met Sister Raquel, who invited me to visit the monastery. That invitation, so simple at the time, became the beginning of a life-changing journey. When I first stepped through the doors of Maria Clausteret, I found a peace that I hadn't even realized I was searching for. It wasn't long before I started coming regularly, and I wasn't alone. I met other au pairs and new friends through this community. Slowly, our friendship grew, and through the warmth and openness of the sisters, that friendship became something deeper. We became a family. We spent much of our time during those years there. It was a place where we laughed, shared stories, prayed, cried, and simply were. Sister Raquel and Sister Alma were always inviting us to come over, to be part of the rhythm of life there. Maria Clausteret became our second home, a place where we were seen, heard, and loved. It has witnessed everything that happened in our lives, the joyful moments, the difficult ones, and everything in between. And through it all, the sisters were there, with quiet presence, gentle words, and deep faith. They never asked anything from us, but they gave us everything that mattered, a place to belong, and a space to grow. What makes the place so special is not just the beauty of the silence, the structure of the prayer life, or the stillness of the chapel, although all of that is precious. What makes Maria Clausteret truly extraordinary is the love that lives there. A love that listens, a love that welcomes, a love that remains. Today, as we celebrate 20 years, we honor that love and the faithful witness of the sisters who have made this their life's mission. Thank you for saying yes to this calling. Thank you for making space not just for God, but for us. For strangers who became guests, and guests who became family. To the sisters of Maria Clausteret, especially Sister Raquel, Sister Alma, Sister Salve, and the late Sister Zem, thank you for being our anchor, our inspiration, and our quiet strength. And to the whole community gathered here, thank you for walking alongside Maria Clausteret for 2 decades. Your support has helped make all of this possible. And on behalf of my friends, Debbie, Joyanne, Christine, Divina, Ayanara, Renzi, and Lara, who like me found a second home at Maria Clausteret, I extend our heartfelt thanks. May Maria Clausteret continue to be a home, a haven, and a light for many years to come. Happy 20th Jubilee.